Welcome back. This is the second part of investment company lesson. If you have not watched part 1, you may click the link below. In part 2, I'm going to share with you several types of funds managed by investment company. We will take a look at Malaysian funds managed by PNB and Public Mutual. Plus, we will also discover what does it mean by REITs. 3 examples of investment companies in Malaysia are Permodalan Nasional Berhad or PNB, Public Mutual Berhad and Al Aqar Healthcare REITs. While Permodalan Nasional Berhad is a government-linked investment house, Public Mutual is a private investment company. Al Aqar, on the other hand, is an investment company which specialized in managing REITs. Let us start with Permodalan Nasional Berhad (PNB). PNB pulls money from investors and diversifies them into several investment allocations, such as strategic asset allocation, equity investment, fixed income investment or debt, private investment, and real estate investment. In terms of risk, equity investment is more systematic or market-based. And since there are lots of stocks in equity fund, this fund is well diversified. For fixed income, the risk associated is interest rate risk. PNB handles 2 types of funds. That is unit trust, or unit amanah, and second one is REIT, or unit amanah hartanah. Unit trust fund is managed under Amanah Saham Nasional Berhad and REIT is managed under Pelaburan Hartanah Berhad. If you, let's say, are interested to invest in unit trust under the government-linked company, you can go to ASNB and click Product. ASN offers 14 funds under fixed price categories and also variable price categories. Let's say you want to buy Amanah Saham Wawasan 2 that is under Harga Tetap category. So, you click the name and the next page will display its information. Here, you may see the type of fund under Amanah Saham Wawasan is mixed asset. That is the hybrid between equity and fixed income. You may choose any funds that suits you. However, read the prospectus or get advice from the expert first. Now, let's say you decided to approach Public Mutual. So you go to their website and you can click at Our Funds page. In the page, Public Mutual lists their fund either as unit trust, unit amanah, or PRS, private retirement scheme. When you click at fund category, you will find many choices of funds to invest in. If you choose equity, it means your funds have a collection of common stocks and preferred stocks as your investment. If you choose balance mixed, your funds have a collection of stocks, bonds, and short-term securities like commercial papers, negotiable certificates of deposits, or bankers' acceptance as your investment. If you choose bond or fixed income securities, your collection will have various bonds in it. Or you may choose money market, where your investment collection consists of short-term securities only. Risk level for these types of funds is lower than bond because of a shorter time period. Let's say we pick balance and mixed asset. Here, Public Mutual will list more than 20 investment portfolios you can choose from. To understand which portfolio suits you, you need to read the prospectus and ask yourself your risk level, or you may call them to ask for their advice. Another example of fund type that gains popularity is REIT. REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust or Unit Amanah Hartanah. Typically, before REITs were introduced, an investor invests in property stocks and or physical or landed property. Today, you can invest in REITs by paying only a fraction of the real estate price in the secondary market like Bursa Malaysia. In other words, REITs provide a way to invest in quality, large-scale commercial real estate without having you to buy the properties directly. Let me give you an example. Not many of us has the money to buy a private hospital building, but you may buy a fraction of the building using REITs. Take Al Aqar Healthcare REITs. It has about a portfolio of 22 healthcare properties and hospitals. If we were to buy the building by ourselves, we may not afford it, but if we can buy its REITs, it means you may own a fraction of these properties. So friends, I hope in part 2 you have the idea of what PNB, Public Mutual and Healthcare REITs do. They are all investment companies offering different portfolios. To recap, there are 4 types of funds in the market. First, equity fund. Second, debt fund. Third, mixed fund. And the fourth one, money market funds. Another 2 you have learned are unit trust and REIT. Till we'll meet again. Bye.